Haka jinggius that ka khlam COVID khat khandai bon ki jingkli ki mi na ka ai ka daw. Haka ni ka kenti menta na ka liang ka Don Bosco Media Network kala yo panyakran bar ki kat tu kat ni ki riuniam ki bala yo yaw niu khnyang wat ki bala yo jingkoj. Laban pen kema ba mentions nam ha Sacred Heart Theological College kuman rup san ngot ki brother bat ki father kila yo yaw niu khnyang jingpang ka jingka domulu o yakani ka college kala telup tang shipor namar ka jingya isha ka jing sumar hi dalade yalade ka jingya rap iwe kila laban laj na kani ka jingpang. Hawe kran bat ka Don Bosco Media Network I Father Gervasis iba prap kandai sam karata ile thu ba kalong ka ba imla bat sngo thu namar hakapor bela yo yaw niu khnyang jingpang im shem la sngosi ne penret man sim yalade ni ban pan tolot ya ka jingya haublai ka jingi thu jong I ka long ba manu breu u haban ya lingba kini ki a hynrei ka jingya haublai ka de ban kham khlan ban ya ka jingting ha ka jingpang.
After this positive, I did not feel anything special. No? I do not. I am 89 now, not 1 or 2 years. And the next month, in July I will begin 90.
Ilay turu pa iladap ay ka vaccine baning kong bat shen in sa yo ka ba a.
This Nazareth to get that vaccination we took. With Father Jose, I took a vaccination, and that vaccination was maybe helping, I don't know. Maybe we'll go on the 10th of next month to take the second one. Should have taken earlier, but since this came in between, so it is delayed.
Ilay thu bagi por bam dan COVID. Ila yo lat ban lek ya lap ya ka kubor ba pha sabon ki jaka hynrei na ka jingwan jong kani ka khlam COVID ila haban sange no e kita hynrei ila pulot ika por ban duai na ka bentagi babon.
I don't go anywhere. They have told me to stop. I stop. So the same people have to be careful also. What cities? The message is that we have to take utmost care. Not to mix with too many people at the same time. That is what the government also wants. So we have to be careful about all this. It's very dangerous, then nobody can stop anything. So they should be more and more careful. That is my message.